just started hearing really weird flipping noises. It sounds to me like fireworks, but it's going to be the opening ceremony for the Olympics tomorrow, and I'm just wondering, see in that distance, East is over there, so I don't know if they've got a firework party going on, but that sounds really weird. It's like really heavy thumping sound. It's really weird. I mean, that would be the distance I'm facing the camera towards, probably where the London Olympics would be. I can't see anything properly, but I think I'm trying to get the sound. If people can hear this when I upload this onto YouTube, if anybody else heard this, it's around about 9:30 on the 26th of July. There's a lot of fireworks. I mean, normally when you hear fireworks, there's sort of breaks in between, but this is like ongoing thumping sound. It's really weird. I mean, it sounds like fireworks. Perhaps somebody is having a big party, but it's really loud. It's weird, doesn't it? Do you think that sounds like fireworks? I mean, normally when there's fireworks, there's at least breaks in between, but this is just like boom, 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 boom. It's ongoing. God, you can hear that dog barking, can't you? You can sense something's wrong. And that is East London, right over there.
Well, it's Boreham Wood, isn't it?
No, Boreham Wood's there, but there, towards where, basically right over there is where the M25 is.
It's happening at the Olympic place. Doesn't sound like normal fireworks.
No, it doesn't, isn't it? Weird! Oh, it's really weird, isn't it? Wow, it's getting louder. I told you that Project Bluebeam, they're going to start doing weird things. They're going to probably pump out weird noises and everything.
Oh. Peculiar.
It is, isn't it? It sounds like
It's just
practicing
bloody
of drums.
bangs of not like a shotgun, not like a firework. I don't know what it's like. First of all, I thought it was him clambering around in the loft. Can't even explain what it sounds like.
Tracy would hear it more than us because she's more further over there. Maybe it's worth ringing her up and asking if she can hear it. That is... Oh God, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Maybe it's thunder.
No.
Thunder would stop though, wouldn't it? It wouldn't go on like that. It's like constant. that was the most biggest, loudest bang of it all, or maybe it was a big firework display.
Like, you'd see lights if it was fireworks.
We might be able to have seen it, but that last loud bang sounds like it was the end of it.
All right. Well, it's very odd.
Oh God.